Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can fix this error in Windows PowerShell. So let's get started. In the first method, search for Registry Editor. Now expand and go to this location. Right click on it and select Modify and change the value data from 1 to 0 and save the change. Now restart your computer for the changes to take effect, and this should fix the issue. If it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Simply download this file. I'll give the link in the video description and open it. Now click on File and select Save As. In the Save As tab, select all files and rename the file. Make sure you are saving this file with the .ps1 extension, and finally save it. You will get a similar file. Simply right click over it and run with PowerShell. Once it is executed, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. In the third method, search for Microsoft Store. In the search box, search for PowerShell and open it. Now click here to install it. Once the installation is done, restart your computer and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.